lipstick.
Here. Lip balm or lipstick?
Lip liner and lipstick. And in my oh! Hi, people of the world. Welcome to my Sunday. Nagbe-babysit ako ng mga bata. Wow! Kala mo responsible. Mga bata. Kapag nakatapat lang sa YouTube chat. Kasi baka...
Binigyan lang ng tsokolate.
Binigyan lang ng tsokolate. Hindi ito kasi lip liner. Nakikihiran lang ako ng lip liner kay kami. Tess?
Tess?
Pwede pa kuha lang ng makeup kit ko na maliit. Hi, sis. Yung makeup kit ko lang na maliit. Tsaka yung, parang yung mga ano, kasi maglalagay ako ng gamit sa bag. Hi. Hi, Madam Loy. Happy Sunday. So, today, I didn't do anything, which I really enjoyed because I've been working for the past how many days. And I also enjoyed that. But, minsan nakakangarag na talaga. But I'm still very happy, very blessed to be working every day. This is, ano ba to? My sister's lipstick. Ano nga yung bag makeup kit mo? Review ko nga yung makeup kit mo. Huwag mo na ka na magtanggal ng kahit ano. The more authentic, the better. Huwag mo nang silipin. Ako nang bahala. May pera ka pa dyan na naka-plastic. Lagay mo na, kakatawa ka. So, I'm gonna review my sister's makeup kit. This is her makeup kit. So, she is a working mother. So, itong kanyang... Ba't ganito yung wallet mo?
Ito ba?
Sama ah. Ano to? Omlo di Pine. Para saan yan?
High blood.
Vasalat. Vasalat.
Huwag mo na. Alright.
This is my sister's wallet. Legit. She's really a working girl. Yeah, she has this Copico sugar-free candy na ninakaw niya. Ninakaw niya to sa drawer ko. I'm sure of it. Bagong-bago yan. Hayop ka. Hindi ka pa gumagaling ha. Kala mo gumaling. Oh my God. Di walang case. Ang kanyang glasses. Hindi pa naman malabo ng ganun yung mata. May high blood lang. Pero hindi pa masama. What kind of brush is this?
Wala lang.
What is it?
It's just a good find.
It's a good find. Pwede siya pang extension. Not that I have extensions. Wow! Kakakabit ko na extension. Say hi, Tani. Hi, Les. Si Camille kailangan magpakabit ng extension. Kasi kung wala siyang extensions, iba siyang tao.
Dapat mo yung camera sa akin. Sige ka.
Tanggalin mo nga yung extensions niyan. Pag wala siyang extensions, 3 strands lang.
Saan nangyari?
Oh, what's this? Ang cute naman ito. Alalagyan ng rosary. Hindi ko lang ganito. Gusto ko yung Divine Mercy.
Naubos na. I wanted
Yung
Divine Mercy.
Original.
Naubos na. I'll buy yung pag meron.
Ang ganda. Bumiit dun sa part na yun. Yes, she has one of my ultimate Dior Show Stylo waterproof matte brown. What are you even saying there? Yeah, this is nice. You want me to try it so you see? And what is this? This is also nice. She asked me to buy this for her when I was in Singapore.
Kaisa-isang binili niya sa akin.
On the 3rd try. It's a really nice, para siyang loop shimmer. You could also use this as like fine powder. And then let's try this Dior pen. I have the same one. It's really nice. Ganda. I like a nice smoky liner. My eyelashes are wow. And then she has lipstick. This one is Charlotte Tilbury Sexy Sienna. Very auntie. Di achi, auntie. Charlotte Tilbury is giving, yan yung ginamit ko today. This one is napaubos na. What's the brand? I mean, what's the name?
Pillow Talk.
Pillow Talk. And then there's not one, but 2 ball pens. Naninakaw na naman niya. She likes this. Ito ba yung pinabili mo sa akin?
Hindi mo naman ako binila ng ganyan.
It was out of stock. So how do you put it? You just put it on?
Yeah.
Actually, never ko pa ito na-try.
Maganda yan. Si Hill lang nagsabi niyan sa
Hillary Valdez? Maganda nga. Uy. Ganda siya ha. And it's just very light. So perfect siya when you have like foundation. I mean, moisturizer and you just put it on and you don't have to put. Ganda siya.
Natural beauty kasi ako, guys. Hindi ako ma-makeup.
Hindi naman ako ma-makeup. Hindi ako nagpa-foundation. Intense coral. But maganda talaga yung skin ni Camille ever since. Intense coral. In fact, siya din talaga yung nag-ayos ng aking, yung totoo, Pure Living. Lahat ng Luxel products ko na skincare, Camille was behind the making. So, kayong mga gold, leaf, yung ganyan, that's Camille's intellectual properties. Ganda siya. She has a little clip. And then another lipstick. What's this? In Love with Olivia.
That's my favorite.
I really? Ito yung ginamit ko ngayon.
Fourth one already.
Fourth one. Okay.
Ganda siya talaga.
It's very nice, actually. I just kind of like it a bit matte. Parang hindi siya spread. Face paper.
Fancel.
Fancel. Another clip. It's very dirty. So we're gonna put that all back. The aesthetic. And the high blood. Meron pa pala siya dito. Lucas, Pow Pow. Guerlain, binaro ko din. This is nice. My Kiss Glow. It's like a balm with a little tinge of color. And then here. And this one.
Huwag ka naman, dyan.
Wala naman eh. Dami mo namang para ka namang mawawala. Dalawa-dalawa. Iba yun. Meron din siya isa pa. Not one, but 2 pens na ninakaw niya sa Marco Polo. Tempting scheme. Got it. Susi 1 and 2. That's for your vault. Si Camille gagawin ganyan. Daming pera yan. Alam bang laman ng bag?
Wala na. Tigilan mo na.
So that's what's in my sister's makeup bag on a Sunday. Okay, Cam, say hi. Yes.
Say hi, guys.
Say hi! Okay, so yun lang naman. You wanna ask me questions before I say
Sandali,
goodbye?
kailangan They want to know where I get the hair extension.
Yes, Tanny. Tanny Extensions. Tinatag ko siya sa, mag-comment ka na. Anong Instagram mo yan? Tanny Extension. T-A-Y. T-A-N-Y. Hair Extensions. And then, ako naman, ang laman ng makeup kit ko. This one I got from my Absidy event the other day. So this is my favorite. This is Cupid. Super, I have that. This is Mario, another favorite. Smoky pink. Smoky pink. Love that combination. And then dry shampoo. My other lipstick. This is from Celine. I love this. This is the one of Palayo na Palayo. Zuzu. It's like a purplish. Yeah, that's the color. And then blush on. This is rosy beige. This is another blush on. This is syempre Chinese yung brand. Flower nose. They're actually cute. I like yung ano nila. Design aesthetic kind. Super cute. I think I got this when I was in Singapore. This is a shimmer that I like to use actually here and here. There. Flower nose. The flower knows everything. And then just the compact drops. Heya back. Heya back. Heya back. And then yun lang. Wala naman ako masyadong naman. This is just for my bag. I'm gonna get my bag. Get my bag. That's that. And that's it. Alright, people of the world. I shall go. Because ano pa ako mga kailangan gawin.
Ang ganda. Pero ikaw lang makaka-pull.
Ito? Kaya mo naman eh. Try mo. Mukha kang Matrix. Camilo, try mo.
Ayaw mo, Heart. Ginagago mo na.
Hindi kita ginagago. Try mo nga. Okay, people of the world, I gotta go. It's a Sunday. Oh, I just want to say thank you to my friend Jen Seaton for my book, Psalm. It's nice. It's a nice read. Ganda siya. It's nice when you're trying to look for like a message. And this is a good read. So, ayun lang naman, people of the world. Thank you for joining my random live moments on a Sunday. This has been Heart. Ciao.